Hi, this is Angela, midmodernmama.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make something called a Dutch door, which is a technique you can use in a journal, in a planner, any place that you want to have a extra sheet of paper tucked in. I'm working on a spread for November and December of 2020, and I want to put our Christmas card, which is two-sided, in the middle so that we can flip back and forth like that. Now, that is a super easy Dutch door, right in the middle and flips back and forth. In my planner, I often create these if I have an extra big to-do list or something like that. I will put a Dutch door inside my planner for the week, or if I have something special going on, that gives me a little extra room in my planner, and it's pretty great. So that's it. Super easy, an easy little Dutch door. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.